Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to enable a touchscreen on your iPhone. So, let's watch the video until the end. Enabling the iPhone's touchscreen functionality is usually a breeze, as it's set by default. However, if your iPhone is unresponsive or you prefer using the software home button, the on-screen video steps will guide you through the process. Method 1. Using the Settings app. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, tap on the Touch option under the Physical and Motor section. Tap Assistive Touch and turn on the toggle next to it. A versatile gray circle appears on your iPhone screen. Tapping it reveals a range of options, including Home, Control Center, Device, and more, giving you the power to customize your touchscreen experience. For example, I tap on Assistive Touch and tap on the Control Center, which opens the Control Center automatically. Method 2. Use Side button. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Accessibility Settings. Again, scroll down and tap on Accessibility shortcut under the General section. Then, select Assistive Touch from the list of options. Triple-click the Side button to enable Assistive Touch. Then, select Assistive Touch to confirm. As you can see here, the floating button appears on my iPhone. To remove this touch button, quickly triple-click the Side button. Then, select Assistive Touch to confirm. That's it. Method 3. Using Siri. Please make sure you have enabled Siri on your iPhone. I have already set up Siri, so let's follow the next steps. Press and hold the Side button on your iPhone to enable Siri. Then, say something like, "Hey Siri, turn on Assistive Touch." And there you go. Siri turns on Assistive Touch on your iPhone. You can disable Assistive Touch anytime you desire. Simply say, "Hey Siri, turn off Assistive Touch," and it's done. Method 4. Using the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the Control Center. Then, tap on the Assistive Touch to enable it. If you haven't added an accessibility shortcut, long press at the blank space of the Control Center or tap on the plus icon at the top and tap on Add a Control. Go to Search Controls and find the Assistive Touch or Touch button. Once you see it, tap to add. Now, you can easily access the Assistive Touch from the Control Center. That's it. Method 5. Touch accommodations. You can control how your iPhone screen responds to touches using this accessibility feature. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Touch. Then tap Touch Accommodations. Then, turn on the toggle next to Touch Accommodations. Check and customize the settings such as hold duration, swipe gestures, ignore repeat, and more. If you want to use hold duration, turn on the toggle next to it and increase or decrease the hold duration. For example, to turn off Touch Accommodations, I must hold my finger on the toggle next to it. If you enable swipe gestures, you can swipe without waiting for any duration. Toggle on Ignore Repeat lets your iPhone register a single tap instead of multiple taps. If you swipe when you mean to tap, use Tap Assistance and select the time duration. This setting registers the final place we touch registers. For example, I want to launch the Notes app, but I have touched on another location. With Tap Assistance, I can drag my finger to the Notes app and open it within the duration. I hope you found this video helpful for enabling touchscreen on iPhone. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to share them in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks.